Okay guys, here is the Yabano Espresso maker. This is what it looks like. Nice stainless steel finish. You have your water reservoir in the back, nice big one. The top can be used as a warmer. Here is your frother here. That tucks in, or it can be out like that. Here's the front gauge, what it looks like. Of course, the place where your cups go. Now this is your knob for the frother. In the down position is when it's on. When you're brewing the coffee, you want to put this in the up position where it's off. And you have instructions on the side here as well. And of course your buttons on the top. And these are the utensils that you get with your espresso maker. You get two filters. The smaller one is for 1 cup. The bigger one is for 2 cups. You get your tamper, so you can press in your coffee. And then of course here is your filter holder. So these would just drop in like so. So once you have your coffee in here and you have the filter in, you just want to line this arrow up with the unlock position and then twist it over to the lock position, and then you're ready to brew. Now these are the selector buttons on top. They all light up for you. The first button is the steam button. This is for 2 cups, 1 cup, and then of course your power button. Okay, when you first get this, there's a little preparation mode that you have to go through, so you power it on. And then once you, it'll go through its where it's going to be warming up. Then once the buttons are not blinking, you want to go through and press 1, the 1 cup, so it'll clean the filter. Okay, so once you've cleaned the filter, you can then put your coffee in and make your first espresso. And that's what we're going to do right now.